Hey everyone, sorry for the wind. Welcome back to Ontario Vintage Tractor. It's a new site. The world's back to normal. We're out here with Curtis Graham.
How you doing, YouTube?
Also on YouTube. We'll leave a link to his channel down in the description as well. We are at Kawartha Antique Power. So we're gonna follow through and video a little bit of the tractors, everything that's here. There's a pull a little later on. Some really cool stuff, some Rumleys, some steam engines, and Curtis actually has his great-grandfather's tractor, his cockshed that he bought brand new, so we'll have a look at that as well, so stay tuned. All right, this year's show, as you can tell, there's a sea of green. They're featuring John Deere this year. As most of you know me, I like Deere just as much as anything else. I'm pretty non-specific when it comes to tractors, which is why I got all colors. So as long as it's nothing like a Kubota, I mean, not a big fan. Beautiful tractors here though. There's a beautiful 820. Looks to be all original diesel. John Deere H, don't see a lot of H's. AR, unstyled. 2-cylinder Model B, if any of you know, I'm after one of those myself. Just really nice tractors. We'll walk over here. There's a Waterloo steam engine. It's not every show you come across one of these. We'll go have a look at that. Really cool. It's very rare to get a sight of one of them. Bunch of hit and miss engines, and we're getting closer to one that I told you about already. A couple more feet here. And that would be Curtis's right there. Oh, stop the wind here. It's an 1828. Like I said, his great-grandfather bought it brand new. And are you pulling this one today, Curtis?
No, I don't think so.
Gonna go into parade only.
Yeah. Get you a start if you want.
Yeah, absolutely. Quite a chore to start in this one, eh?
Yeah, I went in 2 pulls this morning.
That's good. Just like that, something from 1937 can pop off.
Should help the choke a bit longer.
Tells me he doesn't not pull this tractor because of power. Got plenty of that. These here spoke wheels are extremely hard to come by, and loading them up that bad on a sled, we don't want to hurt it. Again, this tractor's near and dear to him, so it's an older restoration, but man, does it still look good. Well, for all you Red Power fans, we'll take a tour through the red aisle here. Nice little Farmall H. Beautiful 49 Cub with a belly mower on it. That is a beautiful tractor. I'd love to take that home to be my lawnmower for sure. Nice chrome stack on it. Now, I'm not sure, and I'm sure somebody else can correct me, maybe even Curtis knows. Some of these farm-alls were actually painted white from the factory.
We're demonstrators.
There you go. They were demonstrators, much like the older, later versions that were painted the gold color. So that's now we have it. We know.
I forget how high they went. I don't think they went any higher than the C. I don't think they did an H or M in that color.
Yeah.
That's what I recall.
There was A's though, right?
There's A's, yeah.
Here's something. If you watch Curtis's channel, you watch my channel. You know I have a W4. You know Curtis had a W4.
Yep.
Here's a beautiful example of one restored.
Yep.
The paint, like, I almost guarantee the camera's not going to do it justice how nice this tractor actually is. And then here we have a tractor, as Curtis informed me today, they only made this for 1 year. Yeah, Super W6 with a torque amplifier. It's a TA tractor. Looks like not the world's best restoration, but a very, very nice tractor. And they said they only made them 1 year, so.
There's one of these for sale here a couple of years ago.
And then there's a monster standing behind me. This is a WD9. I know if you see them in pictures, you think, you know, all these W series tractors are fairly close in size, but this thing is mammoth. Not gonna lie, I think I want one. On to the next row, there's a beautiful Super M. That there's a heritage piece. They didn't make, or they made a lot of them, but it was probably one of the most popular tractors in its day. Also, when the guys weigh them down to 4,500 pounds, I don't like pulling against them. Nice little all original Super A. Looks like it's had a little bit of tin work repaint, but the rest is all original. Another Super A, International 300 utility. Now, I need an engine out of one of these or a 350 to put in my W4, and that'd turn it on a lot better. Beautiful John Deere 6030. I know I said I was going to go by brands, but we're starting to get sporadic here.
John Deere's a feature here this year.
Yes, it is. That's why there's so much green. Big 7520. Man, it'd be cool to run one of those. M. Very nice A. I'd love to have an M. That's a nice tractor. 3020 diesel. Beautiful tractor. Yeah, really. Now, there's one up here that's really caught my eye. Again, a big heritage piece. It's the John Deere 4020 diesel. This thing is absolutely beautiful, like top to bottom flawless. That's a must-have for any JD collector for sure. Got another one coming up here, all in our work clothes. Tell that one's put in the hours. Nice 730. I see a sign I'm going to take and show you that somebody knows what's going on. Whoever made that knows what they're talking about.
Yeah.
The guy who has the most when he dies wins, right?
That's right.
That's what I thought. I don't know what they're going to do with them when I'm gone, but I just pray that my wife doesn't sell them for what she thinks they're worth. This is really cool, not something you see every day. Nice Case D with an all original Case combine. Like you don't see this stuff in this kind of shape anymore.
No.
This one was obviously barn kept. Nice 44 Wheatland over there. Ooh, nice 550. Beautiful cockshot 550. And a nice 1350. That 1350 is a nice tractor, eh?
Sure, yeah.
Good size.
It's the right size.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. I was just coming to get the car ready.
I haven't got a brake here either.
Nice all original cockshot 30.
You looked for one of those one time?
Yep, I'd take a 30 or a 40.
Right.
I know someone who might have just scooped a 40, not naming anybody.
No, not naming any names.
Oh, really cool old McCormick over here too. I can't get over that. That's beautiful.
Yeah, it's really nice. Really well done.
Yeah. This is really cool. That's awesome. Old Co-op. Be a 37-ish, something like that. There's one of those in Paisley when we pulled. Unfortunately, weight was not on her side that day. Oh yeah, this one's got a Gleaner engine too.
Yes. Perfect. Anybody else driving? Just you? Okay.
The next tractor we coming up on line is a 1937 Foxshot 1828. The owner is Curtis Graham, and the driver is Curtis Graham. This tractor was bought new by Curtis's great-grandfather. Really nice to have something like that in the family and able to show it off at our show.